Locked and loaded. Got a bad feeling about this one. Let's hope we survive. Well, here we are, fam. Death waiting to happen. There's the next victim. I earned this one. The major battle's over. That was getting unloaded without getting killed. Finding a place to park the equipment hauler. I hate city work. Now it's time to move this dirt. Here's our ramp. If it can happen, it will. Get them moved or they'll be bound up in our track. That or go through my eye. One or the other. Here's where we're at, fam. We gotta leave our mark.